Sometimes earwax causes hearing loss, or it causes pain or a feeling of being blocked up. But for this person, it was causing a strange whistling sound. And in this video, I'll explain exactly why. So we had this lovely gentleman in our clinic today. He came in for a routine follow-up appointment, and as you might have guessed already, this man is one of our hearing aid customers. He's got a pair of pretty powerful hearing aids, and one of them was whistling a lot every time he went near a door or put his hand up close to the top of his head. Now, there's generally two reasons for this. One, the hearing aid isn't in properly or it's not fitted very well, and two, there's a buildup of earwax. And as you can see, this was the case here. So it was actually a nice, easy one to take out. What we're trying to do is just take away as much of it as possible out of the ear. What happens is sound generated by the speaker of the hearing aid that would normally be absorbed by the eardrum. If there's a blockage in the way, the sound hits that blockage and goes straight back into the microphones of the hearing aid. And this creates a feedback loop. Unfortunately, one of the downsides of wearing hearing aids sometimes is you can inadvertently cause a bit more wax buildup in your ears. This gentleman had some custom domes that were made for him as his hearing loss was quite severe, and they sit quite deep in the ear canal, so this is something that we're going to have to manage with him over time. But as you can see, it doesn't take too long at all to open it up and get a nice clear view of the eardrum. So we cleaned up the hearing aid for him, popped it back in his ear, and he was hearing perfectly, whistling all gone. If you like this video and you want to see more earwax removal videos, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks.